Hello students, in my previous video I had explained the concept of solving the exercise 3.1 and 3.2, and in my this video I am going to solve exercise 3.1. So see it properly, okay? Just see the question number 1 of exercise 3.1. Question number 1 is saying, Aftab tells his daughter 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. See students, this question belongs to age type category, okay? So how to solve age type category? We have to make, first of all, make one column. We have to make one column, and this first column must be for the persons. Now we will read the question and fill our this thing as per the question, okay? See, Aftab tells his daughter, 2 persons are here. One is Aftab and second one is Aftab's daughter, okay? Now question is saying, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then, and also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. See, for finding their ages, okay, we must first of all know their present age. That is not given in the question. So we can say the age of Aftab is X years and age of Aftab daughters is, okay, Y years. Now in the questions of ages, if they are saying that we have to take the age after 7 years or before 3 years, it means we have to take the age of that time. So just see here, 2 cases are here. First case is of when age is taken 7 years ago. Age 7 years ago. And second case is of age 3 years from now. 3 years from now means after 3 years. Age after 3 years. Now see, whichever ages we have to count, that will be counted on the basis of the present age, okay? So if the Aftab current age is X years, then 7 years ago, when we go in back, then we do the subtraction. When we go forward, then we do the addition in age, in that present age. So its age will be X minus 7 and Aftab daughter age will be Y minus 7. And here in this case, age after 3 years, right now is X, so it will be X plus 3 years and it will be Y plus 3 years. Now we can come on the question. Just see it. So first case is of 7 years ago. Case of 7 years ago. So what is the case? I was 7 times as old as you were then. Means Aftab's age was 7 times his daughter's age. Okay? So what is the Aftab age 7 years ago? Take this case, X minus 7. Daughter's age, Y minus 7. Now we have to solve it. X minus 7, and when this bracket will open, then 7 will get multiplied with both Y also and 7 also. 7Y minus 49. Bring everything on one side. X minus 7Y minus 7 plus 49 is equals to 0, means X minus 7Y minus 7 plus 49 plus 42 is equals to 0. This is our needed first equation. Okay? Now we have to take second case, means age after 3 years. Case of age after 3 years. So what is the question is saying? Question is saying 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Means Aftab is saying to his daughter that after 3 years Aftab's age will be 3 times his daughter's age. So what is Aftab age? X plus 3. And what is his daughter's age? 3 into y plus 3. Don't forget to put this bracket because the 3 will get multiplied with both the terms, with y also and 3 also. See here. So it will become x plus 3 equal. When bracket will open, then 3 will get multiplied with y also and 3 also. 3 3s are 9. Bring everything on one side. X plus 3 minus 3y minus 9 is equals to 0. X minus 3y plus 3 minus 9 minus 6 is equals to 0. This is our second equation needed. Now what we have to do in the question, we have to represent the situation both algebraically and graphically also. Means we have to draw the graph also. This thing we had done in class 9th. So how to draw the graph? We have to draw the graph of both the lines on the same graph paper. But how? First of all, we have to find the solution of this first equation, and then we have to find the solution of this second equation, and then we have to mark it on the graph paper. Okay, just see on the board. I am just giving one solution to you. Okay, now see on the board question number 2. Question number 2 is saying the coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3900. Means there is a coach of any cricket team. He had bought 3 bats plus 6 balls. And how much money he paid? He paid rupees 3900. First case. Second case is this. Let us he buys another bat. Means he buys one more bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1300. Means 3 more balls he will take, and this time he will do the payment of rupees 1300. Okay, represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. Geometrically, or we can say graphically, both means the same thing. Okay, so these are the actual 2 conditions which we have to form. See, if suppose in that person, means in place of the dead coach, if you are the person and if you are going to go to any shop and ask for 3 bats and 6 balls, and he said you have to pay rupees 3900, then how will you think? You will think like this, na? One bat comes off this much amount multiplied by 3 plus one ball came off this much amount multiplied into 6, and when you will do the sum, it will get to 3900. Means we have to first of all suppose that the cost of one bat is rupees x and the cost of one ball is rupees y. Let the cost price of one bat be rupees x and the cost price of one ball be rupees y according to the question. So how this condition will be formed? One bat came off x rupees, then what will be the cost of 3 bats? 3 into cost price of one bat plus how will we will get the cost of 6 balls? 6 into cost price of one ball, and when we will do the sum, then we will get rupees 3900 as a total. Okay, so means so cost price of one bat is x, it will become 3x, and this will become 6y is equals to 3900. Bring everything on the same side. 3x plus 6y minus 3900 is equals to 0. This is our needed first equation. Okay, in the same way you have to make the case second equation also. Here C had taken one bat, na? It means 1 into cost price of one bat plus 3 balls, 3 into cost price of one ball, and this thing will be equals to rupees 1300. It means 1 into x, it will become x plus this is y, it will become 3y is equals to minus 1300 is equals to 0. Bring 1300 to this side. Okay, so this is our needed second equation. Now what we have to do, we have to find out the solution of equation first also and solution of equation second also, and always keep one thing in mind that whenever any marking type question came, okay, graphical thing, then at least find out 3 solutions so that it will just make a confirmation, it will make your question more easy in terms of marking. Okay, so just see on the board, I am giving you the solutions, and with this I am also giving you the graph. So just see it and do it in your copies. Okay, solutions can be different from persons can have the different solutions. Okay, so that is not the problem, but the graph thing must come finally like this as I had just shown you on the board. Okay, now see question number 3. The cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. See, this question is same just like question number 2. You have to take the cost price of 1 kg of apple be rupees x and 1 kg of grapes be rupees y, and then you have to form the equation in the same way and solve it. Okay, so this was the solution for the exercise 3.1. Question number 3 you will do by yourself as it is just same like question number 2. Okay, best of luck. Thank you.